Hope that all of you are doing great. Now, this might sound like an outrageous claim, converting $10 into $16 million in one single year. Let me tell you, this is not a clickbait. This is not an outrageous kind of a claim. This is just never heard before kind of a thing. But I'm going to prove to you that yes, this is possible. And this is not a rocket science. This is not putting a big amount at the risk of probably doing a risky kind of a thing. It's just simple mathematics. And the idea of compounding makes it possible. Now, what is the idea? The only thing if you happen to do is increase 10% on $10 and you keep on doing that. All you have to do it is 150 times. Now, you increase 10% on $10, how much it becomes? $11. You increase 10% on $11, it becomes $12.1. You increase another 10%. Now, you keep on doing for 10 times, it becomes roughly $25. You keep on doing for 50 times, it becomes $1,000 plus. You keep on doing for 100 times, it becomes $137,000. And you keep on doing for 150 times, it becomes $16 million. And I'm not just faking it. This is the compound interest calculator side. The initial balance is $10. Interest is like, if on an annual basis, if I increment 10%, that means I'm increasing 10% interest compounded annually for 150 times. You keep on increasing for 150 times. How much money will you be able to make? $16 million. So this is not a random number that I'm generating. All you have to do is just learn the art of increasing 10% and then just keep on repeating. Now, let's say within the entire year, you dedicate yourself that you need 2 days to convert to make 10% profit. That means by the end of 300 days, you would have done it 150 times. You would have converted $10 into 150, like $16 million. This might sound again outrageous, that the end result, how is it possible? But I've shown you the path. Is it possible to increment 10% onto your $10? Definitely yes. And now I'm going to show you how do you do that via the Binance futures. So basically via the Binance futures, what are you doing? Basically, let's say you are entering the long position or short position. Long position, that means you're betting the price is going to go up. If you're doing it without leverage, that means you enter the position, you wait for 10% increment for the Bitcoin price, and you will have made 10% on your amount. But if you do not want to wait for 10%, you can leverage. If you are applying 10x leverage, that means with just 1% increment in Bitcoin, you would be making 10% profit. But the disadvantage of the leverage is if the price starts going the other direction, you have bet on long, if it starts going in the negative direction or let's say downfall starts happening, just minus 10% will liquidate your entire position. That is the risk. But I'm going to show you how do you use this RSI indicator to ensure that the game gets rigged for you, that you always happen to be in a winning position. Now, what is this RSI indicator? This is basically the strength of Bitcoin indicator. If the RSI is over, this is the oversold zone. That means the price is oversold and it keeps on revolving, as you can see. Keeps on forming the cycle. Whenever it goes down, one thing is for sure, we are going to go up, right? It might be a downtrend, overall downtrend, it might be uptrend. That's a different thing. But the RSI revolving, so does the Bitcoin. You can do that on an hourly basis. The move is far bigger, higher. You can do that on 4 hourly basis. This is much more higher. But you can even do that on a 15-minute basis. Now let us try to backtrack. Like I'll just show you how to quickly open the long position. Now let's say the RSI, I'm just waiting and waiting that whenever the RSI falls below this level, below 20, I'm going to open a long position. I'm going to make my 10% increment. Why? Because I'm betting 1% will be increment. Now let's say I open the long at this point. And then all I have to do is just wait for plus 200. At this point, when I have opened the long position, I'm betting the RSIs will go up, the price will go up, and the price keeps on going up. And eventually at this point of time, I would have made 1% increment. That means 10% take profit would have been done. Now, how do you do that? At this point, let me just show you like the other side of it. Whenever it is in the overbought zone, you're betting the price is going to go down. In this case, you can sell short. And then if 1% decrement happens, you're making profit. If an increment happens, you're making loss. Now, let me just quickly do it for you. Now, let's say at this point of time, I'm betting probably the RSI. I mean, right now, obviously, Bitcoin is in uptrend, so the chances the Bitcoin price will eventually go up. But let's say the RSI, I'm believing it is in the overbought zone. So I am betting that the price is going to go down. So this is the price that I've started. And at this price, I want to sell short. I have applied the 10x leverage. That means instead of $90, $9.9, it is going to apply, the house is going to apply extra money for me. And then take profit. Either I can mention it over here as well as once the position is started. Now, at what point I want to take the profit? If the Bitcoin price goes to 19,800, right? That's what I'm betting. And I start sell short. The moment I do sell short, all right. So it has already started my position. As you can see, my leverage has started. What is the liquidation price? That means my position will become zero if 10% increment happens. Why? Because the 10% decrement, 10% is the leverage. With 10% increment, I'll be 100% down. And since I'm betting that the price will go down, that means if price keeps on jumping up, I'll be going down. Like my position will be liquidated at this price, 21,900. But I'm betting that before reaching this price, high likely that the price will go at this point. And what is the indicate? Like will go at the take profit that I have mentioned, 19,800. Now, what makes me so confident? The RSI indicator. And slowly and steadily, you are going to improve the skill. As you can see right now, this is neither in profit nor in loss. This is like 0.2 cents in profit. Why? Because a little bit price has fallen. And the more price keeps on falling, if it goes at this level, and I can take the profit. But let's say at any point of time, you feel, okay, I made the wrong decision. The take profit. I want to just close everything. Right now, I just click on market. It is going to close everything. And just the trading fees will be applied and my position will get back. Available amount will get back. Similarly, long and short. So all you have to do, 10% increment, 150 times. First of all, guys, the number one thing that you need to do, you just pause the video and sign up for Binance. How do you sign up? You need to be ensuring that you get the maximum amount of bonus. How do you get the maximum amount of bonus? By signing up for Binance. Binance, by the way, is the best exchange out there in the world. The link is down below in the video description. You pause the video, you click the link down below. In the next 30 seconds, you register on Binance. After completing the KYC, just deposit $10 and here your journey for Binance Future starts. $10, just learn the art of increasing 10% of your amount. And you keep on doing that. You do that 150 times, you would have made the fortune. A lot of traders have done that, let me tell you guys. What do you think? How opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1,000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1,000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1,000 referral, we will select one random user and you are qualified every time we cross 1,000 referral, 2,000 referral, 3,000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw. How the traders made those millions of dollars. This is the power of compounding. So pause the video. When you click the link down below and sign up, register completely free, you will be getting extra deposit bonus. But apart from that, you will be entering a chance to win one full Bitcoin that we are giving away. How do you do that? Keep watching the video. By the end of the video, there will be a small clip like how we are doing the lucky draw of anyone who signs up via our link. Fair enough, guys. And I hope that you found the video helpful. Smash the like button if you did. Comment down below for what do you feel about this strategy. Do you think it's possible? Do you think people can actually convert something like this? Because I've shown you with the math, something like this is possible. Try to do the brainstorming. That is how the major wealth is made, if you understand these mathematics. So till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.